Hey guys, I'm just going to do a quick review of this refurb by a fellow investor. So it's a 3-bed house in Shirley, in Solihull. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick walk around and do an appraisal on their refurb. Just so you guys have some feedback really. So if you don't know me already, my name is Nguyen. We let and manage HMO and single let properties, high quality properties in and around Birmingham. So we'll start off with the kitchen. So it looks like they've gone all out on the kitchen. This is obviously the selling point of the refurb of the property. It comes with all the appliances, including a dishwasher, which is actually really important these days. So a lot of tenants ask for a dishwasher. The fridge. Personally, I would have moved that fridge freezer, spun it around so it's facing this way, because then it makes this room, this space, look a lot more appealing. Garden's absolutely fine, that's what I maintain. Kitchen, so I'm not sure about these worktops. I think it's a bit too basic for this type of area, this type of refurb. The appliances are nice though. So it's got downstairs WC, which is really good, but it's got a lot of these aqua boards, which I think let it down. So this door really should have been replaced. Again, because this is in the Solihull area, you know, you do want to attract good tenants, and they are going to pay. You want a premium, and for that, they do want higher quality finish. This is your standard landlord carpet. Again, with this sort of refurb, with these sorts of tenants, they are going to want really nice, proper grey carpets that feel better on the feet. I would have painted that. Flooring's fine. Again, wall paneling, I would have just tiled all this or painted the walls. I understand this is probably the most cost-effective thing to do, because once you start taking the wallpaper or the tiles off, the original wallpapers or tiles off, everything can come apart and it can be really expensive. So what they've done is they've just panelled over it, painted this and panelled over that, which is, you know, it's understandable. I personally wouldn't, because it doesn't look great. And also I'd probably put a shower screen along there rather than a shower curtain, because that will fall off at some point and it doesn't look as nice. That's the bathroom. Bedrooms are fairly straightforward. All the doors throughout here need door stops. Nice blinds. I would have changed this to chrome, again, just for a better finish, because you do want to attract the better end, and it's not that much more expensive either. But everything else, so it's really just a finish. Really, that change, but everything else is nice. I love the fact that they've left the original feature here. That's really nice. So yeah, essentially it's just but maybe different carpeting. Would have changed that front door because it's quite old, and it does look like a certain type. You know, it looks like a very old property. Door stops, different finishing. That's it really. Otherwise, you know, it's a really good refurb. All right, hopefully that's been helpful. See ya. Oh, sorry. If you like this sort of stuff, obviously don't forget to like and follow for more. All right, bye.